Alright guys, if you ever wondered what the fastest way to beat your opponent in chess is, then you're definitely watching the right video. What we're trying to achieve here is to checkmate our opponent on the 4th move, so if you want to feel smart for beating your friend really quick, then follow along. So our first move is to move this pawn in front of the king. The purpose of this move is to make way for the dark-squared bishop and the queen so that they will be able to get in a better position. Alright, so he moved his knight, nothing to worry about. Now listen, as long as he doesn't move that pawn in front of his light-squared bishop, he should be fine. So our next move can either be the queen or the bishop, but let's move the queen first in this game. Move the queen right here, 2 squares in front of your dark-squared bishop. Let's see what he does. Hopefully he doesn't move that pawn we talked about a while ago. Alright, we're good. He did not move that pawn. Let's move our dark-squared bishop 2 squares to the left of that pawn we moved first. If you analyze the board here, you can see that you're applying direct pressure to that pawn in front of the enemy light-squared bishop. This is key to checkmating our opponent. Let's just hope our opponent doesn't catch on to our plan and doesn't move that pawn. Alright, we just won the game. Use your queen to take that oh so precious pawn we've been praying that our opponent wouldn't move. And there we go, checkmate. Your queen is covering both the square the king is in and the square he can move in. The king cannot move anywhere else, and your bishop is protecting your queen, so the king cannot capture you. Checkmate.